Did you know an erection might be the best way to check if your heart is in trouble? Think about it. When you're aroused, your brain tells your blood vessels to open up and send blood to the penis. But if that blood flow is weak, the erection doesn't happen, and that's often the first clue that your arteries might be clogged. Too many people chalk it up to low testosterone or stress and miss the chance to catch heart disease early. So if you've been dealing with erectile dysfunction, it might not just be about sex. It could be your body's first warning sign of a future heart attack. Hey guys, welcome back to the Mindhunters, your go-to spot for real talk about men's health. Today we're diving into a topic that could literally save your life. We're going to break down how erectile dysfunction, or ED, can be the earliest clue that something's wrong with your heart. Why shouldn't you ignore it? And what can you do right now to fix both? So let's first understand what exactly ED is and how erection works. Erectile dysfunction is when a man can't get or maintain an erection firm enough for sex. It's incredibly common and affects about 30 million men in the US alone. But here's what most guys don't realize. ED isn't always just about stress or age. In many cases, it's one of the earliest warning signs of clogged arteries and heart disease. You know, erection actually starts in the brain, and when you're aroused, signals tell the blood vessels in the penis to relax and expand. Blood rushes in, gets trapped, and boom, erection. But that whole system depends on one thing: smooth, healthy blood flow. If your arteries are narrowed or clogged, that blood can't get through, and that's when ED starts showing up. Here's where things get really interesting. The arteries in the penis are tiny, just 1 to 2 millimeters wide. The ones in your heart are larger, about 3 to 4 millimeters. So when plaque, the stuff that causes heart disease, starts building up, it blocks the smallest arteries first. That means ED can show up years before a heart attack. In fact, studies show ED can precede a cardiac event by 3 to 5 years. That's a window of time where you can change your future if you listen to your body. The interesting part is that ED and heart disease share the same troublemakers. If you're dealing with any of these, you've got double the reason to pay attention. High blood pressure and high cholesterol, diabetes, smoking, obesity, lack of exercise, and chronic stress. These factors damage your blood vessels, disrupt your hormones, and block circulation, which messes with both your heart and your sex life. So, when is ED more than just a bedroom issue? Here's the rule of thumb. If you're under 50, otherwise healthy, and suddenly experiencing ED, don't ignore it. And if you're over 50 with other risk factors, it's even more urgent. Too many people miss the chance to catch heart disease early. Here's the good news. You're not powerless. You can improve both your ED and your heart health with the same simple lifestyle changes. Get checked. Talk to your doctor about a full cardiovascular screening. Eat smart. Load up on fruits, veggies, fiber, and healthy fats. Exercise. Just 30 minutes a day of walking or cardio makes a difference. Quit smoking. It wrecks your arteries and your erections. Cut back on alcohol. Moderation is key. Reduce stress. Chronic stress damages both your heart and libido. And sure, meds like Viagra can help, but they're just a short-term fix. If the plumbing's blocked, you've got to fix the pipes. We know ED is uncomfortable to talk about, but here's the truth. It could be the warning sign that gives you a second chance. A chance to prevent a heart attack. A chance to feel better, live better, and yes, perform better. If this video made you think twice, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. You might just help save a life. Don't wait until it's too late. Your body's sending signals. Are you listening?